Hi, I am Daniel Witty. Come here. This is the kitchen. It's spacious and has new white stove. The washing is great and large. The refrigerator is big but comfortable. No, that this shower is not closed. And this is the dining room. It is cozy. There are two white fans and large blown vegetation. There is also another door to exit you call. Say that is the heart of the house. Size everything is new here. The corridor to go the bedrooms or the bathroom, the kitchen and the living room. This is the living room. It's small, cute and comfortable. Here there are simply to beautiful day for touring, where you can enjoy with your family. And next to the door or to go inside the house. This is the bathroom. The toilet is white and large, and like the sink, the shower are a ceiling door. Here you can put the shampoo or soap. In the part of glass that is above, you can everything you need. That room mirror is big, beautiful. This is the big room. It's cold before the parents. The bed is high and big. This room has its own bathroom. It has stabilization and a room table where there is a lamp. Their clothes is small, but here you can and put your clothes and shoes. For what you name it.